Hello everyone, here we'll solve the GATE Life Science 2024 question paper, particularly focusing on the botany section. Now let's see the question. This is a question number 59 from the GATE Excel paper. It is a matching type question, so the group 1, it shows the ecological interactions, and group 2, it actually shows their respective definition. So if we see uh, photo cooperations. So photo cooperation is a type of ecological interactions where both the species are benefited, but the interactions between them is not obligatory. So if we see P will matches with 3. Now, if we see the commensalism, it is a very important ecological interactions, and commensalism is defined as the one species is benefited without harming the other, so that Q is matches with 4. And if we see the amensalism a type of ecological interaction, so where one species is harmed, but the other is neither harmed nor benefited, so that it matches with option 1. R is matches with 1. And if we see the helotism is a type of ecological interactions where or is one kind of mutualism relationship, where one species is benefited more than the other. So S is matches with 2. So according to this, if we see the option, uh, so it will P3 Q4 R1 S2. So this is a correct option for the question number 59. Rest of the options given here is incorrect. So coming to the next question, that is the question number 60. It is also matching type question, where group 1 represents the ecological energy productivity and their respective definitions presented in the group 2. So if we see the net primary productivity, or NEP, sorry, NPP, net primary productivity, it can be defined as the amount of energy stored by the autotroph after respiration. So P matches with 2. Then gross primary productivity, or GPP, it will defined as the total amount of energy produced by the autotroph. Q is matches with 1. And if we see the net productivity, it can be defined as the unused amount of energy after consumptions by the heterotroph. So R is matches with 4. And secondary productivity, that is defined as the net gain of energy by the consumers after energy loss. So S is matches with 3. So if we follow this, let's see the options one by one. P3 Q2 R4 S1, this is wrong. P2 Q1 R3 S4, this is also wrong. P2 Q1 R4 S3, so this is the correct option for the question number 60. So thanks for watching.